All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here. I'm at TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, dead. I better to no. I was gonna say better to be lucky than smart, but it wasn't lucky. I thought about yesterday's high in the bonds at 24. I looked at the points. I mean, I don't like to say 24 was a midpoint, but there was a point at 20 and one at 28. I mean, that was a little bit too tight to start looking at midpoints, but at the end of the day, I just needed to find a place to say the hell with it, I'm taking profits. And put my offer in at 23, sold at 23s. They immediately went 24 bid, and now they're what, 18, 19, something like that, been down to 15. So I think the stock market goes higher this morning, i.e. in a major bull market, do you buy the S&Ps when they're 1 to 2 handles lower? Do you sell them? I think you buy them this morning. Like I wrote in my early morning thoughts, I think some shorts come in last night. People that sold it at bad levels. There was some big size going through there at 83 down to 80. And I think they're going to have to get them back. So if you see the S&Ps trade 91 3/4, 92, I'm short again. But in the meantime, I'm long. I'm long 7 contracts. I bought 3 at 4 even. And 4 at 2 3/4. I got small sells at 6 even, 6.5, 7 even, 7.5. All the way up, and with more orders, like I said, scaled up to 91 3/4. So I've got nothing else for you today. I want to buy this bond market again today. We talked about it in the trade room this morning. Yesterday I got a point at 07. Yesterday the market seemed to support there at 07 after they went up to that pivot point at 15. Does any of it surprise us anymore? What's the low today in the bonds? 14. Look at your sheet. Pivot point 14. Over and over. The point that just amazed me yesterday, and those second support levels, S2 and R2, those are critical levels. Why, oh why, did the S&P stop at 25.80 3/4? 25.81, sure, 25.80 half, 25.80, not 25.80 3/4. Go look at your pivot point sheet that I put out 20 hours before it traded down there, based on a formula that I came across in 1994, and S2 was 25.80 3/4. You just can't make that shit up. You can't make that shit up. So that's one of the main reasons why half of my clients who are active traders will always subscribe to my service, is because of the pivot points. So with that said, I want to buy the bond market, but I want to buy it lower. Right now it's 16, 17 with a low of 14. I like the 07 level. I like the 01 level. But I won't be buying any bonds until the S&Ps get up to the levels that I like above. So stay close to your email. If I trade, I'll send out updates. Any kind of trades I make here in the bonds or the S&Ps will be on a swing trade basis, and I'll put those out. So this is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off. If you need to email me, you can email me at Tony@TonyLaporta.com. Cheers.